Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple finishing technique that I absolutely love using on stockinette stitch projects. Stockinette stitch creates such a beautiful, smooth fabric, but it also has a tendency to curl along the edges. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need your finished knitted piece, a crochet hook, and a bit of yarn. I'm going to start by inserting my hook where I want the edge stitch to start. Then yarn over and pull up a loop on my hook. Then I'll yarn over and pull through the loop. This is my setup. That's one single crochet stitch. Then work one chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop. I'll continue repeating that process, working one single crochet stitch and chain stitch across. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. Then chain one. And that's all there is to it. As you work, try to keep your tension relaxed and consistent. One common mistake is working the edging too tightly, which can cause the edge to pucker or pull in. On the other hand, working too loosely can create a wavy edge. Exactly where you place your crochet stitches can vary depending on the project. But generally, I like to work evenly along the edge, inserting the hook through sturdy points in the fabric rather than stretching the edge or pulling too tightly. The goal is a smooth, even finish that sits comfortably against the knitted fabric. Once you've reached the end of the edge, simply cut your yarn, leaving a short tail. Pull the yarn completely through the final loop to fasten off. Then use a tapestry needle to weave in the ends securely on the wrong side of the work. And that's it! A simple row of single crochet is a quick and effective way to tame curling stockinette edges while adding a neat, refined finish. It's easy, beginner-friendly, and a wonderful technique to keep in your knitting toolbox. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.